Michael Burry versus Cathie Wood. This is like two investment titans absolutely going at it. Michael Burry's Scion Asset Management has owned bearish put contracts against 236,000 shares of ARK Innovation ETF at the end of Q2. The position's valued at approximately $31 million. And so for those that don't know, a put contract simply is the right, but not the obligation, to sell shares in the ETF before a certain date at a previously agreed on price. What does that mean in layman terms? If the price goes down far enough, Michael Burry is going to make money. Now he's betting against ARK Innovation ETF, which is run by Cathie Wood. Cathie has pioneered an active management ETF strategy. What that means is it's an ETF that you can go and you can buy. We're not saying to do that, but that's what you can do. She then takes the money and she actively manages it. She invests in certain stocks that she picks, and then they trade around, buying or selling those stocks based on what they think the price is going to do in the short, medium, and long term. Now, Michael Burry, you may know who he is. Not only is he absurd on Twitter and he's deleted his account like a gazillion times when he's attacked Bitcoin and the Bitcoiners push back, but he also is famous because he made a very successful short bet on mortgage-backed securities during the financial crisis. The movie, The Big Short, he is the guy who's drumming with no shoes on, losing all that money, and then when the market turns, he ends up making a very, very handsome profit. He is one of about 10 people who are notorious for having shorted the housing market at the right time during the global financial crisis and making an absolute massive amount of money. Now, it's not the first time that Michael Burry has gone toe-to-toe with Cathie Wood. Indirectly, previously, Burry has shorted Tesla, which is one of Cathie Wood's famous bets. Cathie Wood has continued to be a big public proponent of Tesla. She has proven mostly to be right up to this date. She continues to think there will be value accretion to the business. We'll see how that plays out. But Burry has been one of the critics. So Michael Burry, in my opinion, incredibly smart, made a great housing short bet, but he's wrong on Tesla, he's wrong on technology, and he's wrong on Bitcoin. We will see. We can't hold him accountable because he keeps deleting his account on Twitter, which is pretty lame. We have what the ARK Invest ETF holds. And if we pull this up, Tesla is 35% of the portfolio. So if you're going to short Tesla, you can basically short this as well. Or no, I'm sorry. This is what? This is his?
This is his.
Oh, this is his portfolio.
Yeah.
All right. So this is Michael Burry's portfolio.
Tesla is about 10% of ARK's thing. So he's been betting against Tesla for a while now.
35% of his portfolio is a short on Tesla. Jesus. That's dumb.
So is this really an attack at ARK, or is this more of an attack at Tesla and ability to double down on that?
I think it's both, right? What it looks like, if you look here at all the puts, he's got a short on Tesla, on Facebook. What else has he got a short on? ARK, right? Yeah, he's got shorts basically on most of the technology companies other than Google. He's long Google. So when you start to look at that, it's like, look, okay, cool. Go short technology. That seems like a really bad long-term strategy. I have no clue what's going to play out in the short term. Maybe he knows something I don't know. But when you're 35% of your portfolio is a short on the single greatest electric vehicle manufacturer in the world, I mean, you really got to have some cojones to be short there, thinking that that's going to continue to that you're going to be right on that for a long period of time.
You can say what you want about this certain position, but he's an OG for having a movie made about him. you did something right.
Goat Mountain?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
the drum solo in that was pretty good.
Yeah.
You seen that?
Goat Mountain. All right. I agree with you on that with the housing short. You can't take that away from him. Whatever you think about him now, whether he's right, wrong, about Bitcoin, Tesla, technology, whatever, housing short, Goat Mountain, you win. ARK Innovation in 2021. You can see this is year-to-date change. ARK's about flat. It's down a little bit in 2021, but it's up from kind of the May bottom. And so it's kind of been going sideways. And so, there's the potential that you don't get some kind of meteoric rise, but you also don't get some massive, cliff-hanging fall as well. And so ultimately, this is what he's basically betting against is this ARK Innovation ETF that he believes is going to continue to go down further. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that clip of the Best Business Show. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you know when we go live every weekday, and then head to SoFi.com/pomp so that you can get an account and we can get after it.